This right here is seriously the coolest piece of technology I have ever owned, and this is the next generation of technology. I don't care what anybody says, but I want to show you one of the coolest features that you can do with your Apple Vision Pro. So let me talk to ya. What's up, people? This your boy Viper, the man about tech, back again for the video. And yes, I've had the Apple Vision Pro for about a week now, but one of its coolest features I need to show you just so you can understand how ridiculously cool and useful this feature is. So, monkeys in the truck, roll the clap. Okay, we are back inside the Apple Vision Pro, and I want to show you one of my favorite features on this device. Hell, it might be my favorite feature on this device, and that is screencasting your MacBook Pro display into Vision OS. And all I have to do is look at my MacBook Pro, and there's the connect option. I hit connect, it's connecting, and soon you should be able to see my Vision Pro display. Everything goes black, and bam, there it is. Now, I'm going to take it, move it over to the side here, and then we're going to make it a little bigger, and boom, there is my full MacBook Pro display. Sorry for all the folders and things. A little busy out here, but that is how it looks, you all. This is how it looks. Now, as I look at my keyboard and mouse, these are both connected via Bluetooth to my MacBook, so I can use these both. Even though the display is inside of Vision OS, I can use both of these. Let me show you. So right now, I'm using the mouse, and you see the mouse cursor moving around. Boom, there we go. Open up Google, bam. Go to my Chrome, bam, and look, there we go. They can go to X, bam, there we go. And let's type in here, and we're going to type in testing, if I can type correctly, the Vision Pro, oh my Lord, what's wrong with me today? Vision Pro MacBook display casting for a video. And then I go back to my mouse, post, boom. So, even though this is in Vision OS, I'm still using the keyboard that is in the external world, in the Vision OS world. Now, in order to make this work, I found out that your MacBook Pro and your Vision OS have to be on the same Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I tried to do this video earlier and it was not catching. So I think that was because it was not connected to the same Wi-Fi. But once I put the computer on the same Wi-Fi as the Vision OS, we were good to go, and I was able to cast my MacBook display to Vision OS. Now, the other cool thing about this MacBook display is that it goes where you go. So if I get up and I walk to my kitchen, the MacBook display, let me grab my iPhone because I'm recording audio on the iPhone, so that'd be kind of crazy. All right, so if I walk around, it looks like I'm walking into the display, but if I go into the kitchen here and I see the display, let me grab this and move this. So normally it walks around with me, but the cool thing is you can cast your MacBook display into your Vision OS, and then you can go anywhere in your house or whatever and do some work. So if somebody else wants to, if you got family in the room that you usually work in and they're being too noisy, you could take the Vision OS and your keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and take it to another area of your house and continue to work unbothered. This technology, people, is the next generation. I'm going to have more coverage on the Vision Pro, include my 1 week review on Apple Vision Pro coming up in the next day or so. So make sure you subscribe and join the man about